Hi, everyone. I'm Tina.
And I'm Mary,
your host of American Dream TV. And we are so excited to share this epic event with you, the God and Country Festival in Nampa, Idaho, a legacy that has been carried forward by this community for nearly 6 decades.
That's right. This festival brings thousands together right before Independence Day. There's live music, inspiring speakers, and fireworks. And it's all free. Let's go have some fun. The God and Country Festival in Nampa, Idaho is more than just an event. It's a powerful symbol of enduring American values. Founded in 1966 by Chuck Connors, beloved star of the Rifleman, this festival is approaching its 60th anniversary, making it one of the longest-running celebrations of its kind in the nation.
As Lucas McCain in The Rifleman, Chuck Connors portrayed a single father raising his son with integrity, strength, and faith. Each episode taught moral lessons grounded in biblical principles and American ideals. Inspired by that message, Connors helped spark a national movement of God and Country events across the United States to honor veterans, elevate Christian values, and unite communities. Today, nearly all of those original festivals have faded away, but the God and Country Festival in the Treasure Valley stands strong.
Held annually on the Wednesday before Independence Day, the festival is a free community event that draws thousands of people together to celebrate faith, family, and freedom. The event includes inspiring gospel-centered music and messages, a safe, welcoming, uplifting atmosphere, and a time to honor veterans, military personnel, law enforcement, and first responders.
The continued success after nearly 60 years is a testament to the strength of the community. The people of the Treasure Valley believe deeply in what the festival stands for and are committed to passing it on for generations to come. The festival also includes vendors and ministry booths, family-friendly fun, outreach opportunities, and ends with a fireworks show provided by the city of Nampa. One of the highlights of this year's God and Country Festival is Beaver Fleming of the Nitro Circus and Ramp Revival. Check out his breathtaking moves. Guest speaker Ryan Rees is a pro skateboarder, speaker, author, talk show host, and co-founder of the Whosoevers. The Whosoevers' mission is to deliver the message of the gospel to a generation searching for meaning, empowering them to realize their true purpose in life. Well, I'm so excited to introduce you to Mayor Debbie Kling of Nampa, Idaho.
Mayor Kling, tell us, what does the God and Country Festival mean to the city of Nampa?
Well, this festival is so special to our community, and it's important. I like to say that Nampa is the best of what America was. And the fact that this God and Country Festival is still going on 59 years later after it was started is a reflection of our community. We have a strong foundation of faith.
Yeah.
And one special thing about our community is it's a community where neighbor still helps neighbor.
Yeah.
So I love the festival. I'm glad for all the volunteers and the workers that make this happen.
Yeah.
Well, and also, it is my understanding this is completely sustained by sponsors and donors.
It is.
So that the community has an event that's free that they can bring their families to. Without the donors and the sponsors, the event wouldn't be here. How has the festival continued to get the donations and sponsors needed to keep the event going this long?
Well, I appreciate the volunteers that do that, and all the people that contribute, because what makes community is exactly that. It's people stepping out and contributing and leaning into something for its long-term sustainability. And so we have a wonderful group of communities, right? Communities here, whether it be the service clubs or individuals or nonprofits, the churches that are a big part of this, it's all important.
Well, and it's a true testament to your leadership for the community too.
Yeah.
So thank you very, very much. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you. What an electrifying and inspirational time it has been. From moving tributes to soul-searching music, from coming together and giving back. This is what the American dream looks like.
We're proud to bring you the heart of God and Country in Nampa, Idaho. For American Dream TV, we'll see you next time.